Welcome to HVAC Repair Tigard, Oregon, right now heating and cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. If you're seeking reliable HVAC repair and heat pump installation contractors in your neighborhood, you need to look to none other than Right Now Heating and Cooling. We provide services to commercial and residential properties. With more than 25 years of expertise in the field, we boast all of the knowledge and experience needed to tackle even the most challenging HVAC repair problems. Our HVAC repair and heat pump installation technicians and contractors are highly trained in all aspects of the cooling and heating industry. They provide exceptional service that delivers outstanding results, excellent customer service and competitive pricing. Our team is proud of staying current in the latest codes and technologies in order to ensure that your home and family are healthy. Whatever the complexity or mass of the task, we enjoy doing what we do. This is evident in our high-quality workmanship. From small repairs to cooling and heating to major central heating and cooling system installation, our HVAC repair and heat pump installation technicians can help. Only factory-trained technicians are employed. They're the top and most reliable workers in the industry. Your work will be completed correctly every time. At Right Now Heating and Cooling, we expect to continue our partnership long after the new equipment is installed or repaired. Our ongoing maintenance will ensure your unit is running at its maximum efficiency without causing interruptions. We provide a variety of services, including heat pump installation, heat pump repair, air conditioner installations, HVAC installation and HVAC repair, central heating repairs, central heating installations, thermostat repair, thermostat installations, and many other services. Our approach is to provide a fair price and qualified HVAC repair technicians. We also guarantee our work with a 100% guarantee of workmanship. Our HVAC repair experts are now available to assist you with any heating or cooling repair or installation service for your business or home. We offer options for pricing for every repair/expert guaranteed work. We offer emergency and weekend service as well as warranties for all parts and labor. Visit us on our website or contact us at 503-300-6124.